So I've treated myself to the UpCircle under eye roller. This is going to be awesome. You can put this in the freezer to give the extra cooling feeling. It's really nice and small. So the one end you can use for dispensing any creams and lotions. It is made of metal, so it is naturally quite cool as well. You've got that roller ball there. So you could use this to dispense your creams if you wanted to, or you can use your finger. And then you would simply place that underneath there, or use it without if you want to, and roll it underneath there. It is such a nice cooling experience. It is so nice. It's a real little treat. But it's a little treat you can do every day. And it also help to reduce that feeling of tiredness, puffiness, and just help to improve circulation. It is a really nice one. The ball flows really nice and smoothly. It is just really nice. So definitely one to easily pop into your fridge or freezer and just have a really nice experience. It's absolutely lovely. So I'll be combining this with my creams to have that nice spa massage facial experience at home. It's an absolutely fabulous little product, a really nice addition to your beauty routine.